Hi everyone, welcome to Tue's Humble Kitchen. I'm Tue Tran and today we're making matcha cakes with a honey glaze. This recipe makes 12 individual cakes. So let's get baking. To make the matcha cakes, you'll need butter, sugar, eggs, water, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, flour, baking powder, matcha powder, and salt. Amounts are within the description. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift the flour, baking powder, matcha, and salt together. In a separate mixing bowl, cream the butter and sugar together. Add the eggs into the butter and sugar mixture one egg at a time until there is an even consistency. Then add in the water, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla. Finally, add in the sifted dry ingredients about a third at a time. Mix thoroughly. Set liners into a cupcake tin and spoon in equal amounts of dough, about a third of a cup, into each. Place into the preheated oven for about 20 minutes until a toothpick or utensil comes out clean. Allow them to cool completely. Next, we'll move on to the honey glaze, which is optional. Glaze right before eating. You'll need honey, powdered sugar, water, or milk. Amounts for one serving are within the description. Mix these ingredients thoroughly. Remove the paper lining from an individual cake and spoon the glaze onto it. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming recipes.